Look. You saw him?
He got a one-on-one there. He left. Was behind the trees waiting for the birds to go up.
He came earlier. He didn't even take nothing, bro.
There he goes. There goes the wind-up. Here's the pitch. He missed. Now he's getting them up. Whoa, whoa, he's going. Wow, he went straight up.
He's flying stock.
Yo.
Yo, he's flying stock.
He went straight up.
Yo, he's flying stock, man. I fly Hawks too.
Shit.
Yo, I fly Hawks too. Hawks and flights. Watch it. Fly stock.
There he goes. Wow.
Look how he's
Boom. They're making him work, Tony.
well,
Oh.
see, he fly stock.
Where is he got? He's on 1 minute. He got about 4 minutes. He'll be tired.
Shit, he'll catch.
Shit.
That motherfucker catch something as soon as he feel like it.
Nah, not all the time. Not all the time, Tony. There he goes. He,
100 in there.
you doing the math, Tony? There he goes. Oh, they're coming down on him now. Oh, 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 oh. Straight down. Let's go.
Yo, how much you paying for feed, man?
Ah, man, too much. Too much.
Y'all get this feed for $25.
There he goes. There he goes. Oh, he's behind one. He's behind one. Couldn't turn that fast. Got 2 stocks up there. He got 2 minutes left. I timed them, Tony. They got about 5 minutes, these Hawks up there. They don't get them in 5 minutes, they're tired, man. Let's do this. Let's see how if my theory works. What you think about my theory, Tony?
I think he'll catch one anytime he feels like it.
Yeah, oh, well, he's trying, man. He's trying. He's trying. He's not playing with him. Man, I think another one is coming. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Wow. The burst. There he goes again. Yo, nah, Tony, he wanna eat. He wanna eat. He's hungry. Whoop! Hey! Hey! Throw him off, man.
What you want, man?
But, hey!
Sometimes give me something to eat.
Yeah, he's trying to catch himself a snack. It's late. He's trying to go to bed hungry on an empty stomach. That's the male right there, Tony. Small. He's tired already, I told you. He got 20 more seconds, he's got to go. That's it, look. Bye-bye.
5 minutes.
All right. Yeah, that's it. That's it. told you. Too much time on my hands, Tony. So I've been trying to tell you. The Cooper got about a minute. That's it. Then they could chase the birds for about like maybe half a block, and they run out of stamina. You know? So now he'll go and sit somewhere, and if the birds go up again, then he'll come back like 10 minutes later. But he's got to go out there and rest for now. You know?
I think he's just smart.
Yeah.
He's conserving his energy.
Yeah, they just can't go out there chasing for as long as they want.
I don't think they want to. They want to save their energy.
Right, right. Your team won today, Tony. Say hello, guys. Say hello to YouTube. The notorious Terminators team right here. Triplets, flights. This is the killer crew here. Say what's up, guys. Tell them that the Falcon got nothing on you guys for today. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.